So we used the excavator to get as high as we could on these. They were all the way down to the bottom. Some old pontoons right here, years of overlap. We used the excavator to go as high as we can and make these piles.
Start right there.